strategies of earning money. So there's 3 strategies of earning money. And the first one is trading time for money, which is what 96% of the population do. They trade their time for money. They go to a job, they clock in, they get paid, they go home, they go to sleep, they deal with their family, then they come back the next day to do the same thing over and over and over and over again. And then they die pretty much broke. They die with nothing. They die not being fulfilled, not being able to live the life that they really wanted to, because they've always had to pay bills and been a slave to the job for so long that they don't know how to get out of it, right? They're stuck in a cycle. So that's the first way of earning money online is trading time for money, which is the worst option that you could possibly do, because it's the option that's going to leave you broke for the rest of your life. The second way is having your money make money, right? So that's a little bit more of a favorable method when you trade your money for money, which is basically like investments. So you make investments, you could do it. You know, you could make investments and you could flip them and you could do all that stuff. But see, the problem with that is 3% of the population are really doing this correctly. And you know, there's not too many people that are doing it correctly, and there's a lot of risk involved with having investments and investing when you don't really know what you're doing. And there's not a lot of people that do that. 3% do it right. So that's a little bit better than the first method, but not as beneficial as the first method. The best method that you could do is leveraging your time and your energy through other people's efforts. So how do you do that? You're not investing anymore when you do this. You're pretty much creating a tribe. You're creating people. You're creating a following of people who believe in you as the leader. You're creating leaders to actually go out there and teach and help others to build online in business, and you're leveraging their time to make money. So basically, you know, you pretty much have the efforts of others working for you, which is also going to help you to make the most amount of money. So you could actually triple the amount of money that you make by this method. And it's very, very important that you realize that this method is really the best method that you could have. And 96% of people have the best earnings from it. 96% of the earnings are all going to your pocket. So it's really the most way that people aren't really used to thinking about having to earn money. But if you can leverage other people in your efforts to make money, then you don't really have to do too much. You leverage other people and you have the most profit out of all of them. So it's very, very important that you use this method to be able to generate money over the other two, because this is really the better of the 3 methods.
Yeah!